quick drone tip. So you're out, you're flying, and you got all kinds of Jello. It's just wobbling everywhere, and you're not sure why. Or maybe you don't notice it in your flight, but when you get home, your camera's got all kinds of Jello in it. So you need to figure out how you fix your mount so that it's not vibrating. But that's not actually the case. It's not usually the mount. So what's usually happening is you've nicked a prop, but everybody plays with the mount thinking that sounds fine, looks like it flies fine, but I have Jello in my video, so it's got to be my mount, but that's not the case. So let me show you a quick and easy way to fix that. In this case, it is my mount because I broke it. I crashed it. But after that, I was getting a lot of Jello in even the headphones. So with the Jello, I'm like, how do I fix it? So, I spun all the props and I looked at them all, and they all looked pretty straight. I mean, they don't look too out of whack, so how do you figure it out? Well, the easiest way is to set them down. So you take your prop off and you set it down, and you can see how it sits on the table. So this prop is still pretty good. This prop, still pretty good. The blade all hits the same spot, and the tips are all about the same height off the table. This prop here is pretty good. Tips are all about the same height, about the same off the table. This prop here is pretty good now. Except, you see how that tip is hitting and hitting, and this tip is up. So this tip, here's a new prop, so that one's fine. So this tip is down, and this tip is down. And that's the easiest way to figure it out. So hopefully this helps you guys out, helps you save some money on props, and get that